Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a thick horizontal line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert a thick horizontal line in this document. Go to the Insert menu, then click the Shapes drop down menu. And we can see here many shapes. Now I select the line shape. Then draw this line horizontally. Press shift on our keyboard to draw this line perfectly. Now you can see we insert a line shape. Now we want to make this line thick. Click the line. Go to the shape format menu. Select the shape outline and go to the white section. Then increase the white 4pt. Now we can see we make this line shape thick very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.